very great day to everyone. This is Winnie. Welcome back to my channel, Winnie's Book Cafe. Today we are going to read book number 4, an interesting story. Choose your words wisely. Once upon a time, an old man lived in a village. He always spread rumors that his neighbor was a thief. As a result, the young man was arrested. Days later, the young man was proven as innocent. After being released, the man felt ashamed and bad. As he walked to his home, he took this old man to court of law for wrongly assessing him. In court, the old man told the judge, "They were just comments. I didn't harm anyone," said the man. The judge, before passing sentence on the case, told to the old man, "Write all the things you said about him on a piece of paper. Cut them up and on the way home, throw the pieces of paper out. Tomorrow, come back to hear the sentence," said the judge. The next day, the judge told to the old man, "Before receiving the sentence, you will have to go out and gather all the pieces of paper that you threw out yesterday." The old man said, "I can't do that. The wind must have spread them, and I won't know where to find them out." The judge then replied, "The same way simple comments may destroy the honor of a man." The old man realized his mistake and asked for forgiveness. The moral of the story: don't blame anyone without knowing the fact or a truth about them. Your words may ruin someone's reputation. So, choose your words wisely. So, thanks for watching.